Happy morning, children. See now, in practice at 16.3, the next question which is asked, second question is, how much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter? So here, I am just showing it to you. This is also an example of cylindrical object. Okay, and this also. See, this is also we are using in our kitchen. Here, this is the curved surface area of it, and here if you see the base, see the base is circular. Here also the base is circular. So like this, so many things which we are using which are cylindrical in shape. And if you are going to look at this object, see, this is used in gym and all, you people are using it. And here if you see the end of it, this part, this actually is circular. The base of it is circular. So many places we see objects which are circular in shape. So now what you have to understand here is what you have to find. What is given here? Second question, how much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter? Length is 90 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Now you have to understand one thing, that if they have asked you to find the iron needed, means what you have to find. See, it has to be the volume which we have to find, not the area. Means how much iron is, it is the volume which you need to find. That meaning has to be understood. And here rod, if you see it, most of the time if you see, it is in standing position. You see, when I am using this, it's in standing position. So this length of it is nothing, actually it is the height. That point you have to understand. Okay, practically when I'm going to use this, I'm going to use it, okay, to break small things into pieces. So the length of this is nothing but the height. This you should understand. And what is the volume? Volume of the cylinder? It is, see, here the base is pi r square. It is circular. Area of the circle is pi r square. And this height. So pi r square into h is the height of the, is the volume of the cylinder. Pi r square into height. And this height is nothing but the length. That point you have to understand. That is, length is 90 centimeter. So now what we will do, we will write given, find formula, and we will find the iron needed to make a rod. So here I have written given and find. Now what we have to do? See, diameter is given. For volume, we need the radius we need. So first what I will do, diameter is given, I will find radius. What is the relationship between diameter and radius? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So radius will be half of diameter. So we can write radius is equal to diameter upon 2, which is equal to, diameter is 1.4 upon 2, which is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Now what we have to find? Volume of the iron rod. So we will write the formula. Volume of the iron rod is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to, value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 0.7. 0.7 square into, what is the height? 90. Okay, so now how we will do, is equal to 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 90. Now as I explained you all, this is 0.7. It's a decimal fraction. So what we can do, we can write it in the form which is equal to 22 upon 7, 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 is 0.7. If there is 10 in the denominator, after decimal point there should be 1 digit. Into 7 upon 10 into 90. So now 7 and 7 is cancelled. Now what we will do here, this also we can cancel it. 10 ones are 10, 10 nines are 90. Now 22 into 9 sevens are 63 upon 10, which is equal to, now multiply 63 into 22. You will get 1386 upon 10. So now write 1386. Now 10 is in the denominator. So after decimal point there should be only 1 digit. So what's your answer? Now this is volume. So it will be cubic centimeter. So then you will write, final conclusion you will write, therefore volume of the iron rod of is equal to 138.6 cubic centimeter. This way you have to solve.